According to our Chilliz cost expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a most extreme cost of $1.05, with a base cost of 10 cents. Chilliz is supposed to arrive at the greatest value level of 42 cents as indicated by our CHZ cost expectation 2025. Based on our Chilliz coin cost forecast 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. At present, the Chilliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Regardless of the negative opinion, Chilliz crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.099, starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chilliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chilliz conjecture, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chilliz worth purchasing? Could Chilliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with itemized Chilliz cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's specialized examination. Chilliz specialized examination. Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0.009. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chilliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chilliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chilliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chilliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.05353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of WOC 2021, the cost of Chilliz has reflected gigantic development, denoting another unsurpassed high at the $0.8915 mark. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight rectification, yet later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged to reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and $0.093 with a negative strain. Be that as it may, subsequent to hitting $0.1 the last December, Chilliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and at present, it exchanges around $0.119. From the outset of 2023, Chilliz coin cost has figured out how to remain above $0.099. Right now, it confronted areas of strength for an of $0.099, while a solid obstruction of 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration recommending projected greatest cost, conjectured value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. CHZ coin cost forecast proposes that Chilliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chilliz, CHZ, has not soared on the trade, ascending to magnificence, one unmistakable truth that arises here is that the cost of Chilliz is staying put, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout, according to our Chilliz cost forecast. Click here to become more about long-haul digital money figures. Chilliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chilliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chilliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year is over, Chilliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. Also, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chilliz crypto value expectation 2024. CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents individually. The most probable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chilliz crypto cost expectation. Chilliz value expectation 2025. As per CHZ cost forecast 2025, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chilliz is set to get a move on with other cryptographic forms of money to plainly show up at the very least cost of 29 cents and a most extreme cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHC conjecture depicts a stunning positive thinking anticipated for the CHC cost, predominantly because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Chilliz coin value expectation 2026, violating all constraints more than 2026, would clearly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chilliz expectation, upheld by strong savvy gets, the most extreme value level of CHC crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents separately. Chilliz expectation 2027. The street ahead is brimming with pedals, according to the CHC cost figure, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chilliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents separately. CHC value expectation 2028. Of every 2028, the CHC token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents, with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chilliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chilliz figure 2029, thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chilliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to confirm areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chilliz's cost may handily cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents. As per our CHZ coin cost forecast 2029, Chilliz value forecast 2030. In light of our CHC cost expectation 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a likely low of 73 cents and a possible high of $1.05. The Chilliz cost changes in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unpredictable or have high gamble. According to the Chilliz value forecast and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 13 cents. The CHC cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 14 cents, with the typical worth of 13 cents. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 13 cents and a base value worth of 12 cents. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around 14 cents, according to Chilliz cost forecast. According to the Chilliz conjecture, the cost of CHC is supposed to cross the degree of 17 cents. Before the year is over, Chilliz is supposed to arrive at least charge of $0.0898. What's more, the CHC cost is equipped for getting a greatest degree of 21 cents. As per our Chilliz cost expectation, in 2023, the cost of CHC coin is supposed to reach at least value level of $0.096. The CHC cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 11 cents. To start with cost at 8 cents, greatest cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for 2023 could 8 cents. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents. About Chilliz, see